Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today in this video, we'll have a look at this. This is a beautiful Labrador Black 2023 PHEV Outlander LE trim level. So this one is the next trim level up, starting with base ES in Canada and LE is the next trim level that you can upgrade it to. Fantastic trim level. We'll have a closer look at the paint, the color itself. Let's do that first. So this one here is Labrador Black. So when it comes to black, you have two options to choose from. One is Labrador Black, the other one is Black Diamond. And the main difference between those two is Black Diamond has that sparkle to it. The Labrador Black is just plain black, and that's what a lot of people like as well. Now in this video, we'll have a detailed look at the interior and then exterior then, and we'll have a look sort of how does this compare to the ES, to the base trim level. What exactly would you get, if you would upgrade from ES to LE, and then you can decide if you want to make the move or not. There's few exterior differences, but there's a lot interior differences. To me, that money is well worth to upgrade. The trim level difference, if it's ES to LE, it's about 4,700 Canadian dollars. Each market might have it a little bit different, but I think it's money well spent. So let's check out the interior first, and we'll have a look. So as we move towards the vehicle, the first thing that we can say, this one has actually heated and power folding rear view mirrors. In the summertime right now, heated mirrors are not too critical, but in the winter time, you'll definitely appreciate the fact that you have. By the way, the heated mirrors work together with rear window defroster, so you have that option. You don't know how to operate them, that's one button operates both. You do have this keyless entry option, right? So we have this button here, and with push of a button we can lock or unlock the vehicle, and then obviously the mirrors fold down. That's how we know it's working. You don't have that on base, you have this on LE and up. As we open the door, now we can see a big interior improvements compared to the base trim level. One of the bigger ones, of course, is the panoramic sunroof. Look at the size of this thing. So on the previous Outlanders, a lot of people pointed out that they're not happy that the sunroof is only so small. They made it super big. The seats are suede seats, and they're power adjustable, which is very, very cool. 8-way power adjustable, by the way. So this one also has 3-zone automatic climate control, and it has a nice winter option heated steering wheel as well. So again, not too much, you're not going to care too much about it in the summertime, but the heated steering wheel is right here. Heated seats, this one has it as well. Very cool. You do get 9-inch Smartlink display audio with TomTom Navigation. So the navigation is already built in this vehicle with TomTom, so you do get that. Let's fire it up. Let's start the vehicle. I really like this graphics. It's so cool. And what I really like about PHEV, all the PHEVs come with this digital screen, so you don't have like in the gas version these analogs, and then you have to move up to more expensive trim level to get fully digital driver screen. You do get that right here with all Outlanders, even the base, which is very cool, and this one of course has that as well. So this one also has the wireless Apple CarPlay, but if we want to hit the map and we have the navigation here, you know what, let's remove the plastic. There we go. It's going to be a better view for us. There we go. It's TomTom Navigation right here, and if you want Apple CarPlay wireless, you have that option as well. If we put it in reverse, we do see that we have 360 camera right here with moving object detection. So anything that moves in this area, the vehicle is going to pick it up and warn you about it. Also, this is cool in the summertime that you can use. This one has the app, Mitsubishi Connect App capability. For the 24 months is going to be free, and that's so you can start the vehicle, cool it off, heat it up, whatever you want to do. Being the PHEV, we have innovative pedal drive. We have different EV options right here. Very, very cool. So this one, definitely LE is one of the most popular trim levels because it comes with a lot of stuff. So let's have a look at the exterior. What will exterior offer? Before we do that though, let's check the back. Open up the vehicle. There we go. It's a 7-seater all-wheel control. We have all those. Look at the view again on the panoramic sunroof. Absolutely love it. These suede seats look super sharp. 60-40 split for the seats. You can recline individually this part or that seat. Power tailgate on this one. You don't have the kick motion. That is only on top of the line GT models, but you do have the power tailgate, which is very cool to have that. So obviously this one is folded down. I really like, by the way, these floor mats that come from the factory. They have this blue outline right here. Looks very cool. That's the charger right here. You have it in a bag. So let's close it down and let's have a look at the visual difference. So LE is not going to have this upgraded wheels, right? So a lot of people say, hey, I'm going to stick with smaller wheels. You know, not as bumpy ride as 20-inch wheels, a little bit better fuel economy or EV range. It's true, you kind of like get those both a little bit. EV range probably is not a significant difference, but bumpier ride for sure. The bigger the wheels, the bumpier the ride. Also, of course, you know, they look really cool and sharp, so you kind of decide what you want. And then on the on this one, LE, so you do have these lower scuff plates are painted in front and rear as well, and you have the fog lights, right? So fog lights right there, so those are little fog lights. And of course the tailgate, the power tailgate, that's something that you get with it as well. There we go. We just checked out this beautiful Outlander PHEV Labrador Black. Let's have a look at the paint a little bit closer one more time. This is how it looks. Labrador Black. It's you know, flat black. You don't have that sparkle in it, anything like that. Very good looking Outlander, that's for sure. So thank you so much for checking out this video. Hope you liked it, and see you next videos.